family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 for the gang deal. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. All right, so went to Dollar General. Now, it's a disclaimer. If y'all hear my grandbaby, because I do have my grandbaby now on Saturdays. So when I'm coming home, you might hear her in the back, okay? And I do apologize, all right? So I'm going to try to make this sweet and simple for you, okay? So let's get to the video. All right, so on this deal, I did the gang deal, which is a $5 off of 20, and then also incorporated with the 5 off of 25. So I know a whole lot of people sometimes don't understand how to actually do the 5 off of 20 deal with the 5 off of 25 deal, okay? So I'm going to try to explain this the best that I can and the way that I do it in the store. I'm going to try to do that, okay? But it all depends on, when you do these deals, it all depends on your coupons, the value of the coupon and the product of the amount, okay? So let's go ahead and get to the video. So what I'm going to start out with first is the gang deal. All right, so I got the gang deal separated. Well, it's all together, but I put it on each side so you'll understand. So on the gang deal, you have to get either $20 or more to get the $5 off of 25. I'm sorry, $5 off of 20. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to this. Okay, so what I did was I purchased the Swiffer, and everything has to be gang, but you got to make sure that you scan it in your app to make sure the 5 off of 20 gang digital coupon comes off, because some items might say gang and it might not be with the $5 off of 20. So you always want to scan your products in the store if you can, okay? Because I know sometimes the Wi-Fi be acting crazy in the stores, okay? So the first thing I got was the Swiffer gang, okay? And these are the wet refills. They are $5. They used to be cheaper than that, but the prices are going up in the stores, okay? So this is $5, and there is a $1 digital coupon that does attach to it, okay? The next thing is the Swiffer dry sweeping cloths. This is $5, and it's the 16 count. It has gain on it. And there is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach, okay? The next thing is these Febreze small spaces. And I had to get 2, and it says gain on both of them because I had a $3 off of 2 digital coupon. Are this big gain plus odor defense. These are like the beads. This big one is $6.95. And it is the 10.0 ounce, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now this coupon, you can either get the liquid or you can get the softener, and I know it's these beads, and I think it's the sheets too. I'm not for sure because I didn't scan the sheets, so I just went ahead and just got the beads. Okay, so all of these items is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 items is over $20. It's like $22 and some change. So I am good for my 5 off of 20 to come off, okay? So my coupons are going to come off, and also the $5 is going to come off, the 5 off of 20. But you do not want your cashier to hit total. Just let them just see how much it totals up, and if it's over 20, then you know that the $5 off of 20 is going to come off. As long as you scanned it in the store, you know that attached, Hopefully everything is good, okay? So once that $5 come off of the game, and when you're trying to incorporate the 5 off of 25 too, okay? Because you know you lost $5. So you have to bring $5 back into it, okay? And make it up to, and bring some more products in it to make sure that it goes over $25, okay? So I hope you're with me now, because this right here is like $22. But when you subtract $5, it goes back down to, I think it's like 17 something. So you have to bring back the $5. So the 5 off of 25 can come on, but you have to put product in there. So what I did was I purchased the Central Minis, which this is $5. There is a $4 off digital coupon. This Dove is $7. Yes, y'all, the Dove body wash has went up. It is $7 now, okay? It used to be, I think, $6.50, but before that it was like, I think 5 something. But also there is a digital coupon for $1.50 off, okay? Then plus, there is a savings. If you spend $7 or more, you get $2 off. So for this product, that it is $7, I actually got off $5, okay? All right? So I hope you're with me. So now I went ahead and purchased this Glade. This is $3.50. I had a free Glade product warmer, but the Glade, it only gives you up to, I think it only gives you up to, let me see, I think $2. It only gives you up to $2, but this is $3.50, okay? But it only gives you up for the free $2 in on the coupon, because this is a manufacturer coupon that I'm using on here, okay? And that's what it says on the manufacturer coupon. Then also, if you can find something that is totally free or giving you some overage that can help you out, that's a good thing. If you can find it in your store, okay? If you can find something that's giving you some overage, that is good. So, which I did, these 2 kids Colgate cavity protection, they are $1 each. I still had that $3 off of 2 digital coupon for any Colgate toothpaste, but you want to make sure that you scan it, and it did attach, okay? So these are $1 each. The coupon was 3 off of 2, so I had $1 go into my transaction to eat it up, okay? So let's take it back. This right here was $22 and some change. The 5 off of 20 came off, but then I incorporated some more items that actually will take on that $5 and go up to $25, or maybe a little. I always making sure it goes over a little bit more than $25 because I had that savings with the Dove, okay? So this came off, my $1 came off, my $1.50 and my $2 came off, my $3 off of 2 came off, but it was giving me $1 in overage with that. And then my the $2 came off of this Glade, only making it $1.50 for this, okay? So after everything, after she hit total, all my coupons came off, my 5 off of 20 for the game deal came off, and my 5 off of 25 for the whole thing came off, okay? So it made my subtotal $12.95. Yes, $12.95, y'all, for all of this. You cannot beat it. But like I said, when you're doing the game deal along with the 5 off of 25, you have to have something to actually take on and bring it back up so it can go up to $25. Even though, you see this is 22, you can't just get 2 little items and think that the 5 off of 25 is going to come off, because it's not, okay? So all of this after the 5 off of 20 game deal, the 5 off of 25 came off. All my digitals, even my little savings of the $2 when you spend $7 off of 2, that all incorporated over. My subtotal was $12.95. You cannot beat that. Let me show you my. See the Febreze, both of the Febreze small spaces. There's $3. Then there's the Gain Odor Blast, which was $6.95. There's the $2 off digital. Then there's the $5 off of 20 and the $5 off of 25. You'll see 2 store discounts. There's the Dove. There is my my Dove, it took off just $1.37. I should have 2, but I don't know why it didn't. It should have came off. I'm thinking that it did come off. Okay. Then the Glade, there's the Glade Warmer, the $2, it was $3.50. There is the Swiffer Cloths. Okay, there's 2. The Swiffer Wet Cloths. The Centrum, there's the $4. And then there's both the Colgates, that was $1, and there's the 3 off of 2. And then there's my subtotal, $12.95. And y'all, look how much I saved. $27.50. Yes, $27.50. You can't beat that. And then look, I got a 5 off of 25 for February the 5th. Okay? So y'all, I hope you all understood everything that I said in here as far as when you're trying to do a 5 off of 20 and a 5 off of 25 on a Saturday. I try to do it the best that I can to explain everything. I try to do the best that I could. So this right here, just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.